Need to validate Excel data in Cypress, but stuck because Cypress cannot read Excel, or maybe your test downloads an Excel file, but you have no idea how to verify the data inside. Then you are at the right place, because in this video I will be showing you all the exact real world approach to read and validate Excel files in Cypress step by step. And yes, this is the same powerful pattern we used for PDF validation. I recommend you all to go to my playlist and watch my in detail explanation on PDF validation. Let's quickly understand the problem, guys. Cypress runs in browser environment, but reading Excel requires node access. Cypress cannot directly open Excel files. cy.read file alone is not enough. So what you want to do? We use the same winning pattern, guys. We will be using the cy.task, setup, node events, and Node.js library. Once you understand this, file validation becomes easy. First of all, I recommend you all to know go to the npx. This is the npm package we are using, xlx, and read all the documentation which this particular third party library is providing. So let us install this particular node package into our system. For that, you need to open the terminal, and then let me open, yeah, and then page this particular command, npm install xlx. So this will be installed when you hit on enter. This particular xlx library will be installed in your project. So let me show you. So here is the dependencies, guys. Okay, this library helps Node.js understand the Excel files. And then I want to show you a small code which I have written in order to show you that this particular xls library is converting our Excel data into a understandable JSON format. Okay, for that, what I will do is I will run this particular code, and after that I will be explaining you what exactly is going inside that node excel.js. So let's see, this has extracted all the Excel data and it has converted into a JSON format. See, here I'm importing the xlx library, and here I'm writing a function called read Excel file, and then xlx dot read file. I'm passing the file path here. This is the file path, guys. This is where my Excel sheets are present. After that, i'm I'm specifying the sheet names, guys, because here exactly what I'm doing is I'm telling which sheet to pick up. Okay, and then I'm workbook.sheets.sheets name. I'm passing this particular sheet there, and then excel.utils.json, sorry, sheet to JSON. This is into an array of JSON object. Okay, and then we are passing that JSON object here, and then here I am printing that particular JSON. Hope this has understood what exactly we are doing in to convert the Excel into an understandable JSON. Okay, so then I will be using this particular same code to run that in excel.config.js. So for that, what I will do is I will give a space here, and then I will be pasting the same code here. But here, see what I'm doing. I'm writing on task read Excel here. This is the file path, and I'm passing this file path here. Here it opens the Excel file. At this particular step, most files validate the first sheet, guys. So I'm giving the sheet name, Here at this particular step, we convert Excel into JSON because JSON is what Cypress understands the best. And now we are returning the JSON data which we are getting from this particular node code. Okay. And if I hit save, this particular code will be saved. I'll go to the Excel validation.spec file, guys. So here I will be using the cy.task, and I will copy this read Excel, paste it here, and also use the same path which I have used earlier. So this is where the Excel file is there in my local machine, and then I'll be pasting it here, and then dot, I'm using, then, and wrapping that into a data. I will be console logging the data, guys. So let's see if this particular data will be printed on the left side of the console or not. If I hit save, the Cypress will be running. So we got an error. So let's understand what is that error. xlx is not defined. That means I have not added the xlx dependency on top of the cypress.config file. Here I did not add the xlx library. So I will be copying this particular line and then pasting here. And if I hit save, see, whole Cypress is reloading, guys, because we are dealing with cypress.config.js file. So this needs a hard reload. So that's why when I hit save, it is reloading whole Cypress. Yeah, let's inspect this and open the console. This is reading and it has printed some array, guys. So if it is having large data, so that's why it is showing like this, guys. If I click here, so this particular message is been printed onto the console. So here you can see that it has printed all the data inside that Excel. So in order to validate that, what I will do is I will add this particular statement: expect data dot to dot include. I will be seeing that this particular certification programs is being visible in that particular JSON or not. Okay. If I hit save, guys, let's see what will happen. See, this is throwing an error because I need to parse this. I'll use JSON dot stringify method, and if I hit save, see, this has been successfully validated. And if I give any data which is not present in this Excel, it should fail, right? So I will be writing this word pencil, and if I hit save, it should fail at this particular step. See, it is showing that it is pencil word is not present in this particular Excel, right? So let me tell you clearly, guys, this particular test, sorry, yeah, this particular test is calling the task. and the task calls this particular node code which is present in the cypress.config.js, and here the excel converts into a JSON, and the data comes to the Cypress, and then the assertion runs safely, guys. So this is the same pattern as the PDF, and it is very scalable. In the real world project, we usually validate export reports, user data downloads, financial reports, bulk uploads, and audit files. So I will give you small pro tip, guys, in order to use this particular Excel conversion in the Cypress. Always convert Excel to JSON. Never parse Excel in the browser. Keep heavy logic in the Node.js only, guys. Okay, in the Node side. Restart Cypress after config changes. Validate the specific row, not the entire file. Okay. Good automation engineers don't just download the files, they validate the business data inside it. Okay. So that's why we are writing this particular assertion. So if this video has helped you finally to understand Excel validation in Cypress, hit the like button. And if you want more real world Cypress tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next one. Until then, peace.